Students, today I would be taking up this topic, very important of English language, that is précis writing. What is a précis writing? Yes, the synonym of this word is actually summary. You will have to shorten, you will have to lessen, L-E-S-S-E-N, lessen the number of words. So what is a précis writing? I will tell you. You get an unseen passage. That's so easy. And on the basis of that unseen passage, you will have to make a précis. When it comes to grade 11 and grade 12, ISC board, the précis writing is of 100 words. So in maximum cases, they will ask, you to prepare a précis of the entire unseen passage. So the points that you would be taking into consideration: number one, you will have to learn to summarize the sentences. Now, how to summarize the sentences? I'll teach you. For example, you get a question. You find a paragraph in which you find that Sachin Tendulkar is a great man. And then again, Tendulkar is an awesome cricketer. Tendulkar loves to play cricket. He loves to play tennis. Now, students, be ready with your note copies. Now, Sachin Tendulkar is a great man. He is an awesome cricketer. Tendulkar loves to, play cricket. He loves to play tennis. First of all, let's count the number of words. This is how you are going to precise the paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Exactly what I wanted to write actually. Okay, now this is a task for you all. These are 20 words. Summarize it and make a précis. Let me see who uses the least number of words, and your time starts now. Be quick. Even I'm going to try. Please don't see the screen for a meanwhile. Try to use more and more conjunctions and summarize the sentence. Lessen the number of words that are unnecessarily being used.
Sudden.
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 Okay. Now see, let's see whether I have missed any information from this paragraph. Let me count the number of words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take care of your audio. Take care of your audio. Be a bit sensible. You're not a kid. Wow. So I have deducted 5 words. This is a paragraph of 20 words and I have used 15 words. So I have done it. This is my précis. Let me see what students have done. Students, this is how you're going to learn, by using conjunctions more and more. Not only, but also is a conjunction. Not only, but also is a conjunction. Believe me, once you start practicing Pressy, the more and more conjunctions you use, that would be very beneficial for you. So who wants to try? Who wants to try?
So shall I?
हाँ बेटा बोलो बच्चे.
Sachin Tendulkar is a great man and an awesome cricketer who loves to play cricket and tennis.
Oh beta, you'll have to repeat it just once again. Repeat it. हाँ.
Sachin Tendulkar is a great man and an awesome cricketer who loves to play cricket and tennis.
Okay, how many words? I think so you have exceeded 15 words.
Yes, sir.
You know why? Because you used multiple adjectives. I used only one adjective, that is great. And I called him a great man and a cricketer all together. This is how you will learn. Next, Ayushman, read it out.
Sir, Sachin is a great man in cricket and in reality, he loves to play tennis.
Oh, you missed that awesome cricketer. Fine, 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 fine. And in reality, oh, reality is an additional word. Actually not required, but good try. At least you people are trying. Girls, come up with your, how did you precise? Yes.
Sachin Tendulkar is a great man and a cricketer who loves to play cricket as well as tennis.
Fine. Almost 15 words. Only 2 more students. I would be allowing only 2 students. Yes, please. Nanika, you want to try? Where is Nanika?
Yes, sir.
Chal bache, bolo.
Sir, Sachin Tendulkar is great as well as an awesome cricketer and loves to play cricket and tennis.
Very good. See, that means ultimately you people are using a conjunction. Here comes as well as. Manvi, last, then I'll have to proceed.
So can I?
हाँ Ravisha, bolo.
The great cricketer Sachin Tendulkar loves to play tennis and cricket.
The great cricketer. Arey, very good. The great cricketer, that means if you have not used this word man, then too chalega, koi baat nahi. Because obviously cricketers are human beings. Very good. This is how even we learn from each other. The great cricketer, no need to use this word man. Manvi, you want to try, bache? Shreya, you want to try?
Sachin Tendulkar is a great man and it is an awesome cricketer and he loves to play
Achha.
cricket and tennis.
अच्छा बेटा, and it is an. अच्छा अच्छा, सचिन तेंदुलकर को तुमने वस्तु बना डाला इट लगा के. His wife will crash you to death. चलो कोई बात नहीं बेटा, इट नहीं लगाते ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के लिए. यस यस, लास्ट बोलो जल्दी से.
Sir, Sachin is a great man and cricketer as well as loves to play cricket and tennis.
Loves to play cricket and tennis. That's it. Now I would request someone to please read this out. Let's see what ICSC and ISC they are up to when it comes to Pressy writing. Please read it out.
Pressy writing.
Only one student. Yes.
Writing basically means to write a summary with a limited number of words as specified in the question. The number of words may vary from 40 to 100. In this ICSC education, you are required to write a Pressy of 60 words, and in ISC, it's 100 words. The following points should be kept in mind while answering the compulsory Pressy question.
Okay, wait. That's it. Next. Who wants to read?
Pressy writing. Pressy writing basically means to write a summary.
अरे बेटा, इधर पॉइंट्स पढ़िए भाई, फिर वही रिपीट कर रहे हो.
According to the number of words specified in the question, two sets of lines and columns should be drawn first. Each line and column has to be numbered accordingly.
Sorry, wait. Yes.
Only one word is to be written in each box as has been shown to you.
Okay, now see,
After
wait. This is also one question that the students, they are really worried of. Now see, where have I committed mistake? One man was going to use the. So ये जो use the है, you cannot use it in one box. Sorry to say, one word in one box. Now let's talk about contractions. रुके रहिए जरा. Let's talk about contractions. What are contractions? They will also help you. कैसे? चलिए एक एक करके सब पार्टिसिपेट होंगे. It is को कैसे लिखोगे?
It's.
Very nice. So no need. Now you can write. Students say that, sir, can we write like this? Obviously, use it. चलो. They are. कैसे लिखोगे?
They are.
अच्छा, good. Okay. Could not.
Couldn't.
So easy. Everyone participate, please. Couldn't. Okay. Was not.
wasn't,
Wasn't. ठीक है? So there are many contractions. Will not, would not, shall not, should not, could not, cannot. You can contract them and then you can use it in one box. This is how you can save at least one word. Okay, where did you end, Shreya? कहां तक पढ़ा आपने?
so second point.
Only one word is to be written in each box. Thank you so much. Okay, next. Yes, who wants to read? प्रियांशी, चलिए पढ़िए यहां से. After the grids.
After the grids are ready, rough presses and fair presses should be written above the.
Oh बेटा बड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है. Okay, fine. Fair pressy and rough pressy. Mind it, it depends on school to school. There are many schools I have heard that they don't allow the students to make a rough pressy, but the board allows you to. The board will allow you to make a rough pressy. That hardly matters. Rough pressy is not counted. Even if you make, if you do not make, that hardly matters. Yes, next point. Pranav, पढ़िए जरा ये point. While completing
the rough précis, words exceed the number of specified in the question. Example, if you are asked to write a précis in not more than 60 words, the rough précis may exceed the number to 65 or 68.
Very nice. So rough précis will be beneficial for those in case if you are asked to write a précis of 60 words. So a rough précis, even if in rough précis you exceed it to 65, they will not deduct marks. In fair précis, you can eliminate 5 words or reduce them and then turn them to 60. Next point, Neelam पढ़िए जरा, keeping the question in mind यहां से. अंशिता पढ़िए जरा.
Keeping the question in mind, choose the point needed for your answer from the passage. Detail not should asked be left out.
Okay, fine. So this is specifically for class 10th. This is specifically for class 10th. What happens is that if you are asked to write only from the given paragraph, so you will have to restrict to that paragraph and do not write anything from your side and do not leave anything from your side. So this is actually in grade 10. I'll say that in class 11 and 12 also you can get such question, but the chances are less. Next, keeping the question in mind. Sorry, ये पढ़ चुके हैं. Guru Bakshish, next, do not lift or copy.
Do not lift or copy exact sentences from the passage. The precis should be in your own words, just like the answer to all the comprehension questions, and should be written in indirect speech.
Very nice. Now, in direct speech, this is why I have conducted the class. First of all, there are many who might not be knowing what is indirect speech. सबसे पहला sentence ये है, do not lift or copy exact the sentences. This is very common. You people know that we cannot copy the entire words that are mentioned in the passage. So we'll have to be very proactive and we'll have to be very mature while writing a précis. It should be of your own words, but do not move out of the topic. जैसे अभी हम लोग ने सचिन तेंदुलकर का सेंटेंस कैसे किया? We started to use the words like not only but also as well as, though it was not mentioned in the paragraph. Second thing, indirect speech, never dare to write Reena said, comma, double inverted commas, the packets are costly. इस तरीके से आप प्रेसी राइटिंग नहीं लिखेंगे. These are direct speech sentences. आप कैसे लिखेंगे मैं बताता हूं. रीना informed that the packets were costly. So this is an example of indirect speech. This is actually an example of indirect speech. So this is very important. So précis writing, I would like to repeat the points. Number 1, do not copy anything from the passage. Do not lose important points. Try to use more and more conjunctions. Try to use indirect speech. It depends on you whether to make a rough précis that won't be added. But follow your school teachers also at times.